Good morning. We're just over at Field Lane Primary over at Batley, starting here. That's here, Carl's been, Justin and Jamie just doing trenching for Matt so he can get his wires. We're going to replace this single gate just here and have his box there, so we've got a main trench to there. Then from there we're going to dig on here to these doubles. These are going to get automated. So yeah, we'll come across there and then we'll, well, you can see it's marked it, look. These are where these things are going to go. They're going to be sensors. And then we're going to cut out a loop here for when the cars come out. So these will be automated, but we've noticed that this gate is actually a couple of inches lower than that, so might cut them hinges off and re-weld them, to be honest. And that's the single gate there where Matt is. That's a new gate going on there. And then we're replacing all this fencing all the way around up there. This is green and that is black, so from our point of view and Matt's, we'll get this trenching out of the way. It's probably a hard bit and then steady away after that, really.
So here we are over in Batley. So we're doing a primary school. We started yesterday, did all the groundworks. Matt's already cabling it all up. As you see, we did a trench for mains down there and trench down here all the way across. All this is going to get tarmac today, filled in. Carl's here to take this gate off. He's got a new van, nice new van with trailer on it, gates, perfect. And Matt's got all his wiring going in now. I'm going to fill all this up with tarmac. Lad's going to put single gate in here today. They're going to take that off. Carl's going to take this off and readjust as someone's messed up on the post there. One's slightly bigger than the other, so I'm going to take them off, heighten them a bit, and the gate will be nice and level. And then next step is after that is get out fencing done around here. There'll be a double gate down there, get the fencing up there, and then all the way around here will be fenced as well. Got a week to do it in with kids being off, so get cracked on, get it done.
So yeah, we just pulled in with new van. I'll turn and tidy this new Chambear vehicle. Alright, Carl, innit?
Alright, not too bad. Bit of an upgrade on the silver pedal.
Yeah, looks tidy actually, mate, doesn't it? Quite impressed with that. They're all tidy inside.
Yeah.
Hey up, you got thing in middle.
Screen, yeah.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it? Nice and high inside as well. You can stand up in it and get panels in, so it'll be sound that. Fits nicely with the trailer. You can see as crating went off quite well. Looks weird now, look, I've levelled it a bit, ready for when we move that cabin over here. There's trenching, it comes along there, we concreted it all. I'm just leaving these boards on for now. With leftovers, we just put a little bit in these. And then obviously comes in there, and then we'll go in there with main electric feed for a little workshop. So yeah.
Good morning. So Wednesday morning, here we are taking the fencing down. So we're going to be bolting a panel onto this wall, coming down here. Baggy's got his glasses on, safety first. And we're going to coming all the way down here, taking this out. As you can see, gate's already in. We'll be going all the way down there, show you what we've already done. Bit of scrap to take today, that's for sure. Get that on back at van. So Monday was a big day. Monday we're out trenching, so we got all that done. I've got posts already in with sensors on. Matt's doing all his stuff. Matt will be here about 1 o'clock today just to finish off. So we trenched all the way down there with mains, into box, come across the gate because that's getting access control. It's coming all the way down here now, and as you can see, tarmac's already been done. A few bits just to finish off. We ran out of tarmac. Get that done. All this will be automated. And yeah, come to end, we're going to put a bit of cement around there, get that finished off. Once Matt's finished all his wires, outposts are in, your pads in both sides. Put a panel in there, that used to be a gate, that's all changed now. And fencing's literally all this what's caking down, so we'll get all that sorted now. There we are, rip down's going out. Got Jamie here with me. Where are you going, Jamie? Putting his IVs on, you see. All gates are in. All this out today. Jamie's on still saw, got Baggy stripping metal out. These are actually a bit harder than you think to get out. That's where we got to yesterday. Today we'll get all this down. We'll go all the way down. All this will be stripped out today. We're hoping to be in this far corner. These posts are actually, I know they don't look like much, they're actually a bit of a nightmare to get out. They need loads of cuts in different places. So this tree, we're just going to come out a little bit around this tree. And then today we're hoping to be about here. And then a nice steady Friday. Friday we'll get this out, fill this wall in, and everything's done. So that's another school tackled. Matt's here with us as well, he's doing all the electrics. So he'll have all this stuff done by Friday too. Yeah, let's crack on and let's go.
Hi there, yeah, I'm just over at BD3. Basically, if you can see, they've got all black Vmesh that goes around here. And just want to split this area up here, which is about 30 odd metres. And so yeah, it's just going from that there. And it's just going to bolt down there, all the way down here. Down to here, and it stops 6 metres there from the curb. Crack here. Sorry where one is, a flipping bloke there. Glided 100 mile an hour. Like, I'll try to do a video of measurements and stuff there, and he was like, yeah, what this, give me the price of that, write them off. You're like 100 mile an hour? Yeah, job's yours. It's like, but I can't even tell him price. It's like, that's totally mental. Obviously a busy fella, but anyway, yeah, so anyway, it's about 30 something metres this run here, but it needs making to rake of this to bolt it down. So yeah, that'll be an interesting one, but I'll price that up anyway, and I will see you later. So just over on site here, what are you saying, Justin?
I'm alright, running job like usual.
Running job, good lad. We've got us all here, Matt and his lad over there. I can't go too near because these two have got radio blaring out down here. Fencing's going up there, they've more or less done it. And then they're more or less up to this corner here. So they've got this bit stretched to do, take this down, then we're going to see if we've got a black panel to go there. I mean, I haven't actually quoted that bit, to be honest, but I might as well. Gates are in, all stuff's in, and all automation, the panels in here, that panel, and single gates all ready to go and all wired up in there. We'll be finished with about dinner time tomorrow. There's a few little bits to touch up. So yeah, looking good.
So day's work done. All this done now. Next tomorrow, this bit done up wall. It's Friday. Pub's calling us already.
Good morning. Friday already. Sun comes down. A bit darker this morning and a bit colder. Very windy, I know that. It's about 10 to 7 now. Lads will be here soon. Should be finished hopefully about dinner time, just after dinner. Just looking for a black Vmesh panel. I'm hoping we've got and actually quoted it where they're working. Just could do with something on top of the wall up front. Don't know if we've got one actually. Probably over there if there is. I'll have to get Justin to clamber over there when he gets here. Should be here soon. If not, I'm not quite sure. We always sling it. Could do with it now, but anyway, yeah. The lads should be here soon. They're going to go back over Batley, get it done. I think they're coming out. Little demonstration how to use the gates and fobs and blah blah blah. Sorry, I'm just looking for the panel once a bit. I think there might be one up there. I think there's one up there. I'll have to get it down. So yeah, they'll just put that on, a bit of an extra that I'll just do for clients. I don't even charge them. I'm just going to get some admin done, a load of fencing to order for some upcoming jobs. So yeah, I'll get my heater on, get kettle on and get cracking.
Right, so here we are, another job complete. I'm on holiday now until next Thursday. I'm actually going to come in Tuesday and just give lads an hand with job that they're on. Just because it's quite a big job, palisade job, you know what they're like. Take a few men to complete a palisade job. But yeah, look at this, looking brilliant. I've just had a word with teacher, she's over at Moon. Very happy. Matt's just finishing all his works off. Yeah, a lot better than what they had. If you look back at one of my previous videos, it'll show you the old fencing that they had. Very old, that's for sure. Yeah, looking very nice. Goes all the way up onto the wall. And then obviously we've got Matt's gates, all the trenching that we've done as well. So this is basically an all-in-one thing. We do the fencings, we've done all the groundwork. Matt's done his electric side of things. That asked me, big question mark above my head when you asked me about electrics. But yeah, we did all the trenching down here with the main cables all the way around the side. Matt's putting all the intercom systems back now. You'll be able to see the arms that he's got here in a second. We've done a little extra, put on a little extra black panel on that wall just so people can't climb over. Yeah, all arms are on gates. Matt will be setting all timers up. He posts, put some tape on there just so you can see it if it's ever dark. Yeah, looking very good indeed.
Crikey, got my I get shave and everything. Yeah, so I'm going to call it actually. I've been in office all morning. Been catching up, been busy. But yeah, very productive. Passed a load of orders over for some gates, a load of quotes going out on at suppliers for some big sliding gates, a load more palisade. Yeah, very busy morning. So I'm going to call it there because I'm about to go to barbers and get a shave and stuff like that. So if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below and we'll see you next week. Thank you.